northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Wind advisory remains in effect until midnight tonight. Locations: New York City and adjacent highly urbanized portions of northeast New Jersey, southern Westchester County, Long Island and coastal Connecticut. Hazards: strong winds. Winds northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts just over 45 miles per hour. Timing: through this evening. Impacts: these winds could bring down tree branches and limbs and make driving difficult, especially on elevated roadways and bridges, and for high-profile vehicles. For the following areas, in New Jersey, Middlesex, western Monmouth and eastern Monmouth, wind advisory remains in effect until midnight tonight. Winds northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Timing: the strongest winds will occur through the evening hours.